Oh my gosh, look at this. How cool. Mini action wobble and dies included. Art impressions, clear stamps. Oh my gosh, I love this. Thank you. Hi everyone. Okay, so this is an opening for a swap that I participated in Tiffany and Courtney's group. Together we craft and swap. And oh my gosh, so far you'll see in the beginning of this video, my hands are a wreck, you guys. There's been a lot going on, and my stress, I take it out of my hands. My fingers, they look really bad. So shh, don't tell anybody I'm a cosmetologist and my hands look like crud. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna do a little weird video, but I really want to record this. This is with Angel, and I'm just super excited to open this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this. I love it. I love it. Okay, there's that piece. Now let's go on to the next one together. Okay, hold on. Like I said, my hands are a wreck, so I'm doing this kind of weirdly because you guys shouldn't see that. It's bad. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Is this graphic 45? Oh my gosh. I'm in love, and I've never told anybody this, but when I was younger and would go to the fair every year, from probably 9 years old it started, I would go to the blown glass place and I would get an elephant. The elephant is my absolute favorite animal, jungle animal, cats. I love cats, but I just have a thing for elephants. I love this. OMG. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Definitely get the Big Top vibe, circus. Oh my gosh, this is fantastic. I love this. Thank you so much for swapping with me, Angel. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to take pictures. And look at the cute pin. Oh, and the keychain. It's the elephant. Reminds me of Dumbo. I cannot get through Dumbo without crying, just so y'all know. And I have not been able to watch the redo, the live one. Cheer. No. Thank you so much. And cookies. Thank you for the cookies. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for swapping with me. Thank you, Tiffany and Courtney. You two are some of my favorite ladies. And this group, you guys, really, you are one of my favorite groups. This has, regardless of not being able to participate in all of the swaps, this stuff it got a little bit overwhelming for me, and I apologize for not being able to participate more. But in the new year coming up, ladies, I am definitely going to get back to the swaps and participating. And now that in all of the holidays, it's gotten very busy. And so thank you so much for swapping. Thank you for watching this video. And this is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind. And these are my new treasures. Oh my gosh, my new treasures from one of my new crafty friends. Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies, for all of the swaps we've done this year. I can't believe that we are at the end of 2023. This is just fantastic. I love it. Love, love, love it. Love, love, love it. Love my new pen. I got my pen collection growing here. And I love my new stamp and wobble set. This is I've been wanting to get some of those too. I can't wait to play with this. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Take care. Be kind. Till next time. Bye for now.